Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n minus n, same thing as a raised to power n, or a raised to power n. This here we have 8 raised to power x over 8 squared equals to 80 on this side. The next step is same thing as 8 raised to power x over 8 squared 8 times 8, which is 64. Equals to here, can write it as 80 over 1. The next step here, we cross multiply. 8 raised to power x times 1, we still have 8 raised to power x. Then equals to here, we have 80 times 64. The next step, we take the log on both sides. Here we have log 8 raised to power x equals to log 80 times 64 here. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. For this here, we have x log 8 equals to log 80 times 64. Then, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this same thing as log a plus log b. This here, what we have becomes x log 8 equals to log 80 times plus log 64. Then divide both side by log 8. This divide this side by log 8. Also divide this side by log 8. Then log 8 cancel each other here. This becomes x equals to, separate this into two fractions and we have log 80 over log 8 plus log 64 over log 8. Then from here, you can write 64 as 8 times 8, which is 8 squared. And here we have x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus log 8 squared over log 8. That is here. Apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes there. And this becomes x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus 2 log 8 over log 8. That is here, log 8 cancelled each other here. We have 2 left here, which implies x equals to log 80 over log 8 plus 2. And also here, 80 can be written as 8 times 10. That is, here we have x equals to log 8 times 10 over log 8 plus 2. Then here we apply the law of logarithm and we have x equals to log 8 plus log 10 over log 8 plus 2. Then we separate these into two fractions and we have x equals to log 8 over log 8 plus log 10 over log 8 plus 2. This here, log 8 cancel each other, we have 1 left, which implies x equals to 1 plus 2, that's 3, and plus log 10 over log 8. Then, next step here, also 10 can be expressed as 2 times 5. What we have becomes x equals to 3 plus log 2 times 5 over log 8. That is, this follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 plus log 5 over log 8. Then also we separate these into two fractions and we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. And also here, 8 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. And we have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 over log 2 raised to power 3. Then we apply the power of logarithm here. 3 comes here and also here. We have x equals to 3 plus log 2 over 3 log 2 plus log 5 over 3 log 2. As this here, log 2 cancelled each other. We have x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3. Then plus also here we have 1 over 3 times log 5 over log 2. Then next step here, we have x equals to 3 plus 1 over 3. Can write that as 10 over 3. And plus 1 over 3 log 5 over log 2. Then when we apply change of base here, when we have log a over log b, which is the same thing as log a to base b. Then here we have x equals to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then we bring this together as a fraction. We have x equals to the SCM made as 3. Here we have 10 and plus log 5 base 2. That is the value of x here we have 10 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. Then let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 10 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. What we have here becomes 8 raised to power 10 plus log 5 is 2 all over 3 minus 2 is equals to 80 on this side. That is, here we bring this power together as 1. This 2 over 1. We have 8 raised to power SCM made as 3. Here we still have 10 plus log 5 is 2 minus 6 here now is it equals to 80 on this side. Then here we have 10 minus 6, that's 4. We have 8 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is it equals to 80 on this side. And also 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is it equals to 80 on this side. And this power multiplies 3 here cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 4 plus log 5 is 2 is it equals to 80 on this side. This follows law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. Here we have 2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is it equals to 80 on this side. And 2 raised to power 4, 2 multiply say 4 times. That's 16 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. So this here we have 5. Is it equals to 80 on this side? And 16 times 5 give us 80, which is equals to 80 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And we conclude that x equals to 10 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. Satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.